What's up, drivers? Welcome to the Karrpool, and today we have just arrived at the 2024 United by Broncos event out here in Sand Hollow in Utah. We're gonna go get registered right now, get signed up, check out all these sweet Broncos out here, do some super cool wheeling. Last night was freezing, so I'm ready to get warmed up. Let's go. Okay, it is day one, 8 a.m. We are doing Razzle Dazzle. I can't wait to razzle some dazzle out here. I don't know what that means, but it sounds provocative. We just made it to one of our first stops. This place is absolutely gorgeous. Look at these mountains back here.
He's under it.
Hi, little guy. How you doing?
We're trucking along on the Razzle Dazzle, and it is fun. It's like the perfect amount of difficult to where it's not too boring. I mean, of course, in a large group, you're moving 0 miles an hour. But when you are moving 1 mile an hour, it's fun. Razzle Dazzle is rated a 5 out of 10 on Onyx Off-Road. Apparently, it takes 4 hours to complete. It's 16.8 miles. Just finished up with the first ride, which was Razzle Dazzle. Went great, everything's smooth. Nobody died, which is always good, I guess. Okay, the drag races are about to begin. I am not gonna race, but I'm gonna hopefully film it, get some cool shots. Just talked to Lauren Healy, who's here. He's gonna be racing the Bandito. Let's see these races. drag racing has come to an end, which means it's taco time, thanks to Deviate and Addictive Desert Design. Let's go eat. We've made it to the top of our little night run here with Bronco, Chris Fields, Jason, Gonzo, and Black Betty. And it is cool. This view is so nice. Look at that. Day 2, I'm Passenger Princess with 22 Wild Track. Today we are doing Wayne's World. It is a 6 out of 10. 5 miles, which means we're gonna go slow, but it should be cool. Oh, we're gonna get lined up and head on out and have some fun. We'll see you out there.
You want to steer it? Like what you're thinking?
Keep going. There you go. So Wayne's World is canceled. We split off from the group and now we're doing our own thing, just kind of hanging out in the dunes, I guess. But got a lot of cool Broncos with us today, a couple Raptors. Well, let's have some fun in the sand. Right, we have made it to the top of the world, and that is not just how my day is going, that is what this is called. It's a sweet spot overlooking all of Sand Hollow. Take a look. right, we've made it to the legendary Chute. We're about to send it up there with our top heavy Broncos, so wish us luck.
So the categories for the Chute challenge is 6th gen, slowest up the chute, fastest up the chute, or the biggest balls. And same for our early Broncos, slowest, fastest, and biggest balls.
Okay, I don't know. We'll throw in big balls just for fun, I guess.
6G big balls.
Hey, what's up, buddy? We just did the Chute. That was steep, but it was super easy. Hopefully I'm gonna get some footage from Don, aka Mean Green Bronco. If you see it here, then that means he got the footage. If not, then Mean Green Bronco, step it up, you suck.
Attaboy, Jordan.
We have decided to do our own thing once again, because just being in these groups is long days, slow rolling. So right now I think we're on Miller's Trail, or Miller Lite, which sounds kind of tasty later. It's just me and 22 Wild Track, aka Jason. Traffic out here today is just bananas. You got beef, brother? I'm just passing through. We just found this epic spot. I mean, everybody knows about it. It's Competition Hill, but like on the East Rim Trail overlooking all this. This is so beautiful and windy. We just finished our little stroll, and this wind is insane, man. I am getting dusted out right now. So yeah, we're gonna go get some Mexican food and figure out what's going on next. All right, we've made it to the vendors portion of United by Broncos, where I am here to pick up some prizes because I won biggest balls on the Chute somehow. Apparently, I'm getting two $250 gift cards from Motley Industries, or wait, on the Motley Industries. I'm getting one $100 gift card from Motley Industries, $250 from Racket, and $250 from Code 4 Lighting, I think. So let's go get that. X Travel is out and about. Look at that. And that's a wrap for the United by Broncos. It was such a great time. So glad to meet everybody that I got to meet out here. Such a great community that I'm so happy to be part of. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.